If you are a master's or PhD student looking to study abroad for free this year, watch this tutorial from the start till the end because I'm going to be teaching you how to apply for a fully funded scholarship. You will be rejected if after watching this tutorial you just jump straight into applying for the scholarship. You have to take a step back and then determine, are you a good fit for the scholarship? And in order to do that, I require you to watch this video here. It has a free worksheet. Download it and use it to see if you are a good fit for this scholarship. If you're a good fit for it, of course, go ahead and apply. If you're not a good fit for it, let it go and move on to the next scholarship. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to apply for the Fulbright Scholarship. As usual, we are going to start on the Scholarships Abroad DIY Toolkit. I've told you it has scholarships, graduate assistantships, application fee of universities, low tuition universities, CV samples, SOP samples, research proposal samples. So this is like your one-stop shop for everything to guide you in your entire scholarship application process. Purchase access to this, you will not regret it, I promise you. So we are going to be applying for the Fulbright Scholarship. So as you can see here, this is the Fulbright Scholarship. The deadline is April 2025. So check with your embassy. We are going to talk more about that. It is for master students, and I am going to click the link to the official website of the scholarship. So as you can see here, this is the official webpage of the scholarship. It says here how to apply for it, but it's a little bit more nuanced, but I'm going to show you throughout the process. And let's talk about the award benefits. So it includes a J1 visa sponsorship, funding support, health benefit plan, enrichment activities, eligibility criteria. You need to reside in your country of nomination at the time of the program start date. You're fluent in English, you do not hold a US citizenship, and you are eligible. And eligibility differs from one country to the next. So this is where you will find like the general information about the Fulbright Scholarship. And something I want you all to pay attention to is you have the the Fulbright Foreign Student Program benefits and eligibility. So this program called the Fulbright Foreign Student Program is different from the Fulbright Foreign Language Teaching Assistant program. So make sure that when you go to your website, you are looking for the Fulbright Foreign Student Program. Okay. So now I am going to take you to the embassy website of my country. By the way, I have a free weekly newsletter with breaking news in the world of scholarships. So the link is in the description box. Click on it, sign up to that newsletter. It is free. So as you can see here, this is the US Embassy in Cameroon. And when you come to the website, you have to scroll right down to see, this is what I was talking about, the Fulbright Foreign Student Program. So this is the scholarship, and it closes on the 21st of April 2025. So it's open and currently accepting applicants. What does it provide? It's a fully funded scholarship. Who can apply? Be Cameroonian. If you go to the embassy in York, I'm actually going to take you through a couple of embassy websites and in the second half of this video, but I just want to show you like a sample of how to apply for it. This is the eligibility criteria, the ineligibility criteria, and then how to apply for it. This is very important because this is where we are going to be doing the application. So you see how to apply. The deadline for submission is Monday, April 21st, 2025. And in order to apply, step 1, you read the application guidelines carefully, and then you apply online on this website. So I'm going to click the link to this website just for us to be able to see. So as you can see here, this is an application portal. So I'm going to try my best to see if I can do the application process. Probably before I go here, I want to show you all the application documents. I think that the website gives the details about the application documents such that we have okay, this is it. Your online application must include a personal statement, essay, study objectives and essay, a resume and CV, your university transcripts, diplomas, 3 recommendation letters, and a writing sample. Here they say highly recommended but not required. So this is what we are going to see when we get into that application portal. So now I'm going to go back to the application portal, and I'm going to try to see if I can create a sample application just to walk you all through the process and see how it works. Alright, so it says that it has sent a temporary pin to my email address. So I'm going to go copy that pin and I'm going to come input it here. Alright, so now I have to create a password. Everything is set and I am going to set my password. Okay, so as you can see here, once you have created your account and come into the application, this is the application management, and it tells me you have not yet started an application using this account. So I'm going to go here and start a new application. So it tells you the Fulbright Foreign Student Program for the academic year 2026-2027. So create an application, and then it is now going to say open an application. So this is the application. It says welcome. This is what you are going to see when you start your application, and then you see these are the information about it. You have preliminary questions, you have country information, and then you have application notice. So this is what you are going to see, but I'm going to go back to the welcome page, and here the first thing that they say is please confirm you have read the eligibility policy guidelines. I have read the policy and I agree. Okay, yes, save and continue. So you have to do that, and then now you will start filling up your questions. Oh, you see there are questions about employment eligibility, there are questions about US residency, reference materials waiver. So you will have to fill up this application step by step. Remember, I showed you all the application documents that they were asking for: your personal statement, study objectives, a resume, university transcripts, diploma, 3 recommendation letters, and writing samples. So you will have to go here step by step till you submit your application, okay, in this portal. If this is helping you, please help me by hitting the like and the subscribe icon such that YouTube algorithm can show this video to more people. So now I am going to show you how this looks like on the website of other countries, because I tried to check through the embassy of other countries just to see how what is going on there. So let me start here, and this is the US Embassy and Consulate in Nigeria. I tried to look for it here, and I was looking for the Fulbright Foreign Student Program, and I saw this information, the Fulbright Foreign Student Program. But here, if you look through, something that I noticed, Nigerians, tell me in the comment section what is going on, because yes, they have all of the details here, but when you look at the deadline here, they're talking about May 2023. So I'm assuming that this is like this is for last year. So please check in. I don't know if if the Fulbright program has opened in Nigeria. I am not very clear. You all tell me in the comment section how it is going with you all. Okay, so now let me open the US Embassy in Ghana, and I'm just trying to take the most of you who watch my channel are from Nigeria, Ghana, and then the other countries. So as you can see, the deadline here for the Fulbright Foreign Student Program is March 21st, 2025. So their deadline is earlier. You see, these are the details about the scholarship, and then how to apply. It is actually this, if you look at this, the link to this email, this web page here, apply.iie.org, it is actually the same link that you saw at the Cameroonian embassy. So I think there's like a central system where they do the applications. So I think those from Ghana, you all are good enough to start your applications. And then I searched through Kenya, the embassy the foreign Fulbright program. You can see the Fulbright Foreign Student Program for 2026, 2027. It has launched. It's there on the website. The deadline is April 18, 2025. And it tells you the documents that you are going to be submitting. And then this is the link to that application system. So this is where you start what I showed you all earlier. And then because there are so many of you who also watch my channel from India, I decided to check the US Embassy and Consulates in India. They have just general information about the foreign Fulbright program here, but it does not give like details on where to apply. So those that are Indians here, please check to be sure that the program is open in your country. I am not yet sure. And then I checked the US Embassy in Zimbabwe. This is the foreign program, and yes, they have also opened. As you can see, the deadline is April 1st, 2025, and they have that same link to that application system, apply.iie.org, right? So as you can see, if you are from Zimbabwe, you are ready to apply. Let me know in the comments section, where are you all from? Because I just took the list of those that are like my the countries of the students that watch my video the most, and I showed you all samples. So if you can tell, if you are from a different country, not that I've not mentioned here, first of all, and you watch my channel, watch it, gather most of your friends and family and have them tell your people about my channel, because when I get to see that I'm having people watching from particular countries, I will make sure that when I create content, I cater to you all. Okay, so let me know in the comment section, where are you from, and then I'm going to tell you all, just to see how many, where are my audience from, where are you all from. Let me know in the comment section. Please remember that I have 3 services. Number 1, the scholarships abroad DIY toolkit. Number 2, personal profile assessment plus scholarship matching. So you send me your CV and your documents, and I study it and match you with scholarships that you are a good fit for. And if you want to work with me one-on-one from the start till the end of your scholarship application, you can do that. All the links are in the description box. If you're interested in these step-by-step guide tutorials where I walk you from the start till the end of a scholarship application process, I recommend watching this video here, because it's going to teach you how to apply for the Joint Japan World Bank Scholarship. This is a fully funded scholarship that I think you may be interested in. I'm going to see you all in the next one. Bye.